Greetings, Dan Daniels here. This is artbreeder.com. I'm logged in. You need to log in to be able to do what I'm going to show you. It uses a generative adversarial network to create new images. You might have seen Google's DeepMind auto-generated images. It's very similar to that. You have a lot of stuff here that you can play with. So let's go ahead and play, and I'll give you a demonstration of how to use the mix images, for example. So we're going to create a new mix, and you click on the plus button, and you've got three choices: the images that you've already identified as favorites, and then you have all, and then you have recent. So let's go with all just to see what's in the mix. Okay, and so I'll just pick the first one, and then I click on the plus again, and I'm going to go with my starred, and let's click on that, and we've generated a new image. So the combination of these two images at the top produce this image down here. And one of the really cool things is that you have these sliders, so it increases the amount of influence that one image has on the other. So let's drop that down a little bit and increase this one a little more. And now we have something very different from the first two. So I'm going to click save on that because that looks pretty cool. So to change the images, click on it and then hit the X, and now you can go ahead and select another one, and let's go with one of my recent images. Just click on this one, and now in a few seconds we've got this very alien structure like thing, and again we can increase the influence of the images by using those sliders, and you can see that the top left and center image are very much similar now. Let's drop both of them down and see what happens. So now we're getting some truly strange stuff. I'm going to bump this one up. The slider is okay. It's very similar to the one I just made, but I like that one too. And let's slide that up again. Yeah, okay. So to swap it out, if you decide you don't want to play with this one anymore, you can just delete it and then go back out into the all starred, and you can see the community is quite active here, so there's already new content. Let's see what happens. Oh, wow. It really is like walking into a Hieronymus Bosch gallery. Just some fantastic shapes. Dolly would be, I'm pretty sure Dolly would be quite pleased with these tools. As an artist, to try and, if you wanted to reproduce these as paintings or as drawings, would certainly be challenging. And you can see in between these two images there's gray boxes moving back and forth, meaning the server is having trouble keeping up with me. which is expected given the nature of GANs, GANs. They can be quite CPU intensive, but let's go ahead and cancel out of that one and go take a look at artbreeder.com, log in, and go explore what an algorithm can do for images. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.